Hey everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to enable or disable dark mode on Instagram. First open the Instagram app on your phone and tap your profile icon, the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on accessibility or appearance. Here you will see dark mode option, on off or system default. Choose on to enable dark mode or off to disable it. Instagram will change instantly. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment more Instagram tips. Thank you.